Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kumar and here I would like to talk about my presentation whose topic is should everyone practice sports. So there are different kinds of sports like aquatic sports, agility sports, ball sports, extreme sports, mountain sports, motorized sports and adventure sports as well. So these are the categories of sports and all the games which we play and see come under these categories. After that, there are various importance of sports. Some of them are physical benefits contributing to academic success. After that, building character values. So physical benefits, it helps us to maintain our body weight, it helps to keep us physically fit, and after that, contributing to academic success. If we talk about the mental strength, it is also built from playing sports. So if we play well, we can build our mental strength as well. After that, building character values, it helps us to build the character values such as leadership qualities, sportsmanship, uh, improving our emotional values as well. After that, impacts on the society. There are various impacts on the society of sports. The first of them is economic impact. After that, jobs. After that, national unity, role models, community relations, honoring heroes and emotions. So economic impact is that it provides money to the sports person who are playing a particular kind of sports. After that, jobs. The government provide jobs to the people who are in sports. After that, national unity. So if the team of a country is playing, the whole nation is united to support that without any discrimination of caste, color and creed. After that, role models. The sports provided a lot of role models to the country and people would like to become like them. After that, community relationships. It improves the community relationships as a lot of people from different communities playing in a same team. After that, honoring heroes. So there are many awards to honor the heroes of the sports. And emotions. So the people are emotionally attached to the game and even to their country as well. And here is a video which shows that the whole community or the whole country is together. And this is the video from 2011's World Cup where 45,000 people are singing this national song of their country. They are singing Vande Matram at the same time. We can easily hear them that they are singing Vande Matram, and there are almost 45,000 people in that ground at that point of time. And it shows that how the community is together for its country. After that, there are some real life examples as well. And firstly, I would like to talk about MS Dhoni. After that, Michael Jordan, and after that, a well known personality to all of us who is Usain Bolt. So first of them is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He was the cricket team captain of India, and also known as the Captain Cool. He won T20 World Cup, which is first ever held in South Africa in 2007, and the India is the first team to win that. After that, he won ICC World Cup 2011 and Champions Trophy as well in 2013 in England. After that, he won IPL for 3 times, and he is one of the best cricketer which the world have ever. After that, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is also a well known personality in America. He played for USA as well. So he won 2 Olympic medals, athlete of years for a couple of times, and Hall of Fame for 3 or 4 times. He is also a good player, and he even played for his country and NBA. NBA he won 6 times while playing with Chicago Bulls. After that, After that, a person from Jamaica who is commonly known as Usain Bolt. I am going to show his video to you where he made a world record of 9.58 seconds in 100-meter race. So this one is the video of that event when he now if we talk about the economic condition of this Jamaica, the Jamaica is not a country where people have enough food to eat, but Usain Bolt came across out of all these things and made their country as well as the world proud on him. And after that, if we talk about our next slide, it is about the impact of sports. So there are various impact of sports on our life. So the first one is that it promotes the regular physical activity, and after that it fosters a healthy relationship with exercise for years to come. It definitely means that if we are practicing sports now, so it will help us to dwell well in the upcoming days. After that, it develops and improves motor and cognitive skills. It teaches the concept and importance of teamwork. The teamwork is very important when we are going to work at a place, so the teamwork matters a lot. After that, it helps kids make friends and develop social skills. So if the social skills get maintained and developed, it will definitely help a country to dwell well and make a brotherhood as well. After that, there are many problems which a person can face without practicing the sports. The one of them is obesity. So the problems which are caused due to obesity is heart diseases, stress, cancer, and 2 type of diabetes. After that, there is the solution of that particular obesity is isometric exercises, isotonic exercises, and isokinetic exercises. Isometric exercises are those where we can lift something and make our muscles. After that, isotonic exercises are those where we run and have some motions in our body. After that, isokinetic exercises are all the exercises which we do in a gym, and all these activities will help us to do well and get rid of obesity. After that, there is a chart which shows that how much obesity, physical inactivity, unhealthy eatings, heavy drinking, and daily or occasional smokings of Canada. So between 12 to 19, it is 12.6, which is obesity, and 20 to 34, it's approximately 21. After that, 35 to 49, it is 29.2. 50 to 64, it's 29.6, and if we go for 65 plus, it becomes 26. And the next slide will show that there is another difficulty which a person can face, which is posterior deformity, that affects your spinal cord, which is one of the most important part of our body. If our spinal cord is not healthy or it is bent, so we are facing the posterior deformity, and it is not look good when you are facing someone. After that, neck damage, it can cause neck damage as well. After that, headache, if there is a lot of headache and for lot of times, it will damage your eyes as well. After that, exhausted, the person look exhausted whenever he do work. After that, unable to do work, the person is not able to do work effectively and efficiently. After that, there are some motivational mottos which can encourage the people or the audience to improve and to play. So it's like, play like a champion today, never let good enough be enough, hard work beats talent when talent does not beat hard work, practice winning every day, dedication plus motivation is equal to success. And after that, the only motivational motto that I know is that never give up. We have to try for something and we will definitely get that. So being a physical person is a very good thing to do, and we have to practice sports each and every day in our life. and after that there are references which I took. Thank you very much.